Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired October 13th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Accepting the Spiritual Fact. Swami, your insights.
Belief in divine truth graduates to faith by revealing the perfection of spiritual life. Test faith by getting the coincidence between the human and the divine.
Looking to accept spiritual truth? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam